Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on pundix. In my last video, I was telling you that pundix is forming a huge double bottom on the weekly time frame on the long-term chart. And from here, we can expect a very powerful bullish reversal. Right now, that bullish reversal has been started and the price line has also formed another harmonic reversal move as well. But before starting the analysis, by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this harmonic reversal move that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 29th of January, when the price line completed this harmonic bullish reversal Gardley move on the weekly time frame. Sorry, this was not the Gardley move, this was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move. And you can see the buying was from 76 cents and goes to 57.8 cents, and the price line was moving at 74 cents. And our sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bad move, were from $1.33 and goes to $1.92. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line has reversed bullish. So far, it has rallied up to $1.17 and very close to hit these sell targets. Now, let's take a look at the double bottom and the big triangle I was showing you in my last video. And you can see that the price line has this very strong support of this big descending triangle, and also a very big resistance as well. And you can see that the price line is testing the resistance more than the support. That was a very clear signal that pundix can break out the resistance rather than the support. And you can see that for a while the price line moved below the support, but it has recovered back, and now it is again inside this triangle. And if we switch to the daily time frame chart from here, then we can see that it has rallied exactly up to this resistance and rejected. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then you can see after this rejection, it is moving to the downside, and soon it can make another attempt for the breakout. And I also told you in my last video that we also have this stochastic oversold, and soon it can turn bullish. And you can see that the stochastic has turned bullish. It has given a buying signal as well. Like this blue line has crossed up this orange line, that is the buying signal by the stochastics, especially from the oversold zone. This buying signal is very powerful, and especially when we are above this strong support of the triangle as well. Now, our next target, for example, because my advice for my members at the Patreon will be, if you have bought it at 74 cents, you can set your sell targets according to these sell targets, like $1.33 and $1.92. However, I'm expecting that once the price line will be able to break it out, this triangle, then our next target after this breakout will be approximately, for example, if we are going to break it out from here, then our next target will be approximately at $5.40. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.